So I just finished scoring a set of assignments, reading for topic one, lesson four, the alignment on world history. They were supposed to turn in questions 1 to 18 and do an SWBS. So I've got everyone scored except for a colleague who's also in the class. So at that point, you return multiple submissions. I've already done this, but if I hadn't done this, I would click return and then I give it a couple minutes because it takes a sec. But it's done. So at that point, once the assignment's scored in Google Classroom and once they've been returned, then you're ready to enter via Aeries. So I preloaded the assignment 1.4 in the Aeries so I could show you quickly how to get it in there from Google. I think if you have it already on auto import, somehow you're going to have to deselect that if you want to do it individually. And you choose import from Google. And then you choose the specific assignment. So this is first period, and it's 1.4, and the assignment was given on September 2nd. This part can take a second. What I like to do is get a count. So I want to make sure every student has a score, whether they did it or not. That's why when I'm scoring it, I'll give them zeros if there's nothing done, because I want everyone to get a score to make sure I didn't make a mistake or there's a system error. So we're looking for 9.2. The total was at 115 points. That means this is the correct one. After you do this a few times, if things are working, then you shouldn't have a problem. That should not have happened, so it did something wrong. So I got to check it out. Let's try again. So it's 1.4, and it's September 1st through the 2nd. But really, it's September 2nd. So let's try to remember that. It's the submission date that counts, not the first assignment dates that counts when you're importing. So let's just change it and double check. So it's first period. And if it doesn't work again, we'll check a different spot. I think I should be looking for 9.2, not 9.1. Nine two. Let's try this one. That's strange. So when that kind of thing happens, I like to double check, make sure it all got returned. So maybe I need to still return it in Google Classroom. So that's what I'll try to do. Return. Maybe it got cut off when I was returning because my first video got cut off. So let's try it again. 33 students, that's correct. So there's how many's in first period. And it's working. And it's done. And let's try again. So again, you should just have to import it from Google. And as long as you get the right date, it should be fine. Let's see. That was the right one. So let's try it. So notice it failed the first two times. All right. All scores imported. Boom. Yahtzee. I usually like to do grading complete. And then I like to do the second half of that class. So that assignment is done for that period. So I'll go to the CP version. Same process. Import from Google. Same period. Looking for the September 2nd assignment date. let's see, there was 8 in the first one. Should be something like 25 here. Okay. September 2nd, 115. That was good. This one looks good. A good way to check is to see if you got a couple scores near the max and you did it right. It'll give you an error message if the numbers are off. So if you click on the wrong one, it kind of lets you that. And boom, there's one assignment that's transferred over. That's one that you've done just through Google. And that's it. Hopefully that helps. I'm going to send this to you via email and let me know.